Hey, what's up, fellas? So, hey, what's up, fellas? So, I'm gonna be trying out. Um, it is the. Let me see that right there. Japanese raspberry soda from World Market. I'll give you my opinion. Yummy. I'm feeling like I'm getting a little vibe here. I'm getting a lot. It's giving yeah, good. I'm just screwing around. Nah, it's good. It's a drink's a drink. It's $5 for the drink, but it's good though, and I can't read anything that's on it. So that means that I'm not the wiser. I don't know what's going on. Shh. Anyways, ciao.